Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about Cefadroxil. This antibiotic is widely used to fight infections caused by bacteria. If you've been prescribed it or are curious about how it works, stick around. Cefadroxil is effective against various types of infections. It is often prescribed for throat infections, urinary tract infections, skin infections, and soft tissue infections. For example, if you have a sore throat that won't go away, or a urinary tract infection that's not getting better, your doctor might prescribe Cefadroxil. So how does it work? Cefadroxil prevents bacteria from building their cell walls, which weakens and eliminates them. In short, it stops bacteria in their tracks, not letting them multiply or cause more problems. Regarding the dosage, it is very important that you follow the doctor's instructions to the letter. It is usually taken once or twice a day, depending on the severity of the infection. And remember, always finish the entire course of treatment, even if you feel better sooner. This ensures that you eliminate all the bacteria and prevent them from becoming resistant. Let's talk about side effects. Some of the most common are nausea, diarrhea, and in some cases, allergic reactions. If you get a skin rash, have trouble breathing, or experience swelling, seek medical help immediately. Finally, Cefadroxil is a very effective antibiotic when used correctly. Always follow your doctor's instructions and never self-medicate. Take care and see you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.